Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up free shipping in WooCommerce 2026. So actually guys, first you will need to open the WooCommerce shipping settings, and to do that you will need to log in to the WordPress dashboard, as you can see, and then just go and hover on the WooCommerce on the left hand menu, and after that a pop-up menu will be visible. Okay, so you'll need just go ahead and click on the settings inside it. So right now you'll need to click on the shipping section just right here, click it, and after that you will need to select shipping zone or create a new one. And to create a new one you can just go ahead and click on add zone. Okay, so actually you will need just to name it. For example, we'll go with USA, and for example we'll go with Africa right here or everywhere, and after that we'll go with add shipping method. So here you will need to select the free shipping from the drop down, and then just go and click on continue. So then you'll need to go with free shipping requires right here. Just click that option so you can select no requirements, and that means free shipping always available for this zone. And also a valid free shipping coupon that means requires customers to apply a specific coupon and works well for promotions. Okay, for a minimum order amount, it's a free shipping only if carts subtotal more than X. Okay, then an amount, for example $50. So you'll need to enter the minimum amount in the box. So when you select it, you will need to enter it just right here, and then check mark this box and go with create and save. Right, so for both options, minimum order amount and coupon, that means free shipping applies only if both conditions are met. So for example we'll go with that one. We'll right here $50, then we'll go with apply, check mark that box, and then we'll go with create and save. So actually guys, that's the way we created it. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.